Hello everyone, welcome once again to another career roadmap related tutorial by Team Slidescope. Here we are simply discussing complete roadmap to become an AI research scientist. You can see all the 13 points here, and here we will discuss this. So in this blog I will share a complete step-by-step roadmap that will help you chart your journey towards becoming an AI research scientist. First point is understand the role of an AI research scientist. An AI research scientist is not just a practitioner but an innovator. Unlike engineers who mostly apply existing algorithms to solve problems, research scientists invent new methods, publish groundbreaking research, and explore the theoretical side of AI. Key responsibilities of an AI research scientist will be conducting original research in AI and machine learning, publishing papers in top journals and conferences, that is Neural IPs, ICML, CVPR, designing and experimenting with new algorithms, working with large complex data sets to test hypotheses, and collaborating with academic institutions, labs, or R&D divisions in companies. So these will be their key responsibilities. And to succeed in this role, you must combine a strong theoretical knowledge with hands-on experimentation. Second point is in the roadmap is build strong fundamentals or foundations in mathematics. Mathematics is the core language of AI. As an AI research scientist, you will not only use existing methods but often you have to develop new ones. So your math must be strong. Essential areas for mathematics are linear algebra like vectors, matrices, and eigen decomposition are the basis of neural networks. Then calculus, that is partial derivatives, gradients, and optimization methods like gradient descent. Probability and statistics, probability distribution, Bayes theorem, hypothesis testing will be needed. Everything that you see here, most of the content is already there with practical examples on our channel itself. I will put some link in description that you can check. Then you need to work on something called information theory, that is entropy, cross entropy, or KL divergence. Next comes optimization. So convex optimization, Lagrangian methods will be needed. Resource tip, I will recommend mathematics for machine learning. This was recommended in the previous video also. And MIT OpenCourseware for a strong math base can also be used. Then you need to develop mastery in programming. Programming is the bridge between theory and implementation. As a research scientist, you will need to implement new models from scratch and test them on real world data. Languages to focus on will be Python, that will be your primary language for AI, with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Then you need to learn C++ and CUDA, which is useful for implementing performance critical algorithms and working with GPUs. Then comes Julia, which is emerging for numerical computing and high performance AI research. What is Julia? How to install Julia is also given in a video on our channel itself. Then R programming language, which is helpful for statistical modeling and experiment. Tutorial for R programming language for data analysis task is there on our channel. My advice, become an expert in Python and at least one low level language you can select. Then master core machine learning concept. Before diving deep into AI research, you must have a solid grasp of machine learning fundamentals. You can learn and master. Learn supervised learning, that is linear logistic regression, decision tree algorithm, random forest, and gradient boosting. All these uh, algorithms are explained in our courses and they are available on our channel. I will provide some links. Unsupervised learning, that is clustering, PCA, dimensionality reduction. This is also there. Then reinforcement learning with Q learning and policy gradients. So a complete tutorial for Q learning is already there. Then comes model evaluation, that is accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score with ROC and AUC. So how to evaluate your model is taught in all our tutorials. So build project that apply these algorithms. It helps you identify gaps where research can add value. Point number 5 is dive deep into deep learning. Once you have mastered core machine learning, then you can dive into deep learning. Deep learning is central to modern AI research. You must master the theory, mathematics, and implementation of neural networks. So, neural network or artificial neural network ANNs with architecture, backpropagation, activation functions. Then CNN for computer vision task. Then RNNs, LSTMs, and GRUs for sequential data. Then you should learn transformers, that is foundation of GPT, BERT and most modern NLP systems. Then we have generative models like GANs and VAEs and diffusion models. So here are some recommended books that you can check out. Then after deep learning, you should learn advanced AI domains. AI research scientists often specialize in a domain. You don't need to master all at once, but explore and then choose your path. So NLP, computer vision, reinforcement learning, generative AI, and responsible AI and ethics. This is an emerging term where bias mitigation, interpretability, and fairness is needed. So this is something that you need to master. So you can explore broadly but specialize in one domain where you want to publish research. 7 is get comfortable with big data and cloud as well. So AI research often involves massive data sets. Handling and processing them efficiently is must. So tools and skill required will be SQL. If data is given to you in a structured data format, then Hadoop and Apache Spark for distributed computing. Then cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Azure for scalable experiments, and data pipelines like MLflow, Airflow, or Kubeflow should also be known to you. After getting comfortable with big data in cloud, this will require some time. This will particularly things like Hadoop and Apache Spark. So you need to be very focused on learning this part. Then you need to spend time on research skills and academic foundations. AI research scientists are first and foremost researchers. This means you must know how to read, analyze, and produce research papers. The step to develop research skills: read papers on RXIV regularly, summarize research in your own words, reproduce experiment from published work, and start writing your own research notes and share them on GitHub or Medium. If possible, aim for a master's or PhD in AI, computer science, or applied mathematics. Advanced degrees give you exposure to structured research and access to mentors also. Like if you are doing it in a good university, you will get a lot of resources and guidance from your seniors also. Then you should build a strong portfolio with projects. So hands-on experience matters. Even in research roles, build projects that demonstrate your skills. So implementing a transformer model from scratch, designing a GAN for generating images, reinforcement learning agent that can play some games, although you can try more advanced also, but this will just give you some knowledge. And medical image classification for healthcare research are some projects that you can try. If you want to discuss some project, you can comment on this video or connect with us, we can discuss. Share these on GitHub or Kaggle. Recruiters and labs often look at your portfolio before anything else. Next, you should collaborate and contribute to the community as well. Research thrives in collaboration. Build your presence in the AI community. Contribute to open source AI libraries like PyTorch or Hugging Face. Like you can contribute something, you can create something and contribute. Then people will get to know your name. You will build some profile there. Join Kaggle competitions to refine applied skills. There are many competitions going on, and sometimes you can receive monetary benefits also. Attend and present at AI conferences. So, if you will search for AI conferences, there are many conferences going on. Sometimes virtual conferences also are there. So, you can attend and present there. Publish papers or blog to share your insights. Something like Medium account can be a good option. Networking with peers and mentors often opens research opportunities. Next point is stay updated with trends. When you will learn these things, new trends will evolve. So AI is evolving at lightning speed. Staying updated ensures your research remains relevant. Follow research labs like Google DeepMind, OpenAI, or FAIR, which is Facebook AI Research. So you should search them on Google and you should try them. There are some workshops and you can join them. You should stay updated with these journals like Neural IPS or ICML, ICLR, CVPR, Scopus, etc. Then influential researchers on Twitter or LinkedIn. Personally, I make it a routine to read at least one research paper daily to keep me sharp. So whenever we have to do that, we read these research papers, you learn a lot. Then you can develop soft skills. So beyond technical brilliance, research scientists need strong soft skills like critical thinking, creativity, communication, and collaboration. Finally, career path and opportunities. Once you have the skills and research portfolio, here are some common career paths. First is academia, that is research positions in universities, labs, or as faculty. Then industry research and development, AI research labs at Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Meta, Amazon, etc. And then startups. Cutting edge innovation often comes from startups working on niche AI problems. So you can join them and you can become an independent researcher with enough experience. You can publish independently and collaborate globally. Salary prospects are highly competitive, among the highest in the AI domain. So the journey to becoming an AI research scientist is challenging but deeply rewarding. You will need a strong foundation in math and programming, mastery of ML and DL, advanced research skills, and the ability to contribute new knowledge to the field. So, if you want guidance on this topic, if you want to learn these topics, you can contact us at slidescope.com. We provide data analysis course, machine learning course, and AI research courses as well. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.